Everybody, and welcome back to another Cash Stuffing Sunday. How are you getting on? I know I haven't posted anything in a while, and honestly January was just a bit of a mess. I had sick kids, the family was sick, my car had to be fixed, and I had to really save for that. So I just kind of didn't do any of my cash stuffing in January. I just kind of like saved up because I had to pay for the car door and all of that jazz. As if you watch some of my previous videos, you'll know that I had an accident there at the start of December. It wasn't even me that had the accident, like some idiot actually ran into the side of my car and decided to put a lovely big dent in it, which cost me 600 quid. So, you know, not much I can really do about it. It's just one of those things, and the 600 then was the excess on the insurance that I had to pay because they couldn't find him, and until they do, then he pays it. I'm saying he, it could even have been a she, like, I don't know. So folks, how are you getting on? Welcome back. If you are new here, hi, my name is Martella Carrick, and on my channel we budget, we garden, we cook, we do makeup, all while trying to live our best lives. So grab yourselves a cup of tea or whatever is your preference, and let's stuff some money, honey. I've got my Disney mug today with a cup of tea in it. Don't know if you can actually see that, but there's like Disney animations on it. My brother got it for me in the Walt Disney Studios. Love it. These are I have cups that I change out seasonally, so this is what I'm on. I did the cups yesterday, so for the spring we're going Disney. So folks, let's go with this budget. So this week's is 300 because I've been working so hard to get this money and to pay for everything. So let's just count it and make sure we have it. So we'll do it backwards. 2 4 6 8 come out. 2 4 6 8 1 2 4 6 8 2 2 4 6 8 3. There we go. 300 smackerinos, and we have done our little list. So this is the list I'm going to be working off today. So let's get into it. Pink binder first, as always. As you can see, everything is empty. We are stone broke, lads. There's nothing in it. We need to start filling it. So 50 obviously is going in for food. That's what I always use. And I have been really trying to bring that down, but you know what? Everything's getting so bloody expensive that, yeah, I really can't at the minute. So 50 is also going into childcare. 40 or 55 is going to the challenge, it says, but we'll leave that one for a minute. We'll do 40 to council tax. So as you know, I put this extra in instead of me taking it to 50 every week. Now we're on just paying off next year's one. So we're kind of like in the clear, I suppose you could say. What are we getting for this one? Oh, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be looking down here. Yeah. So water is getting 40. Where's my water one? I need to pay that bill because they're going to be coming for me soon. Argos is getting 20. Fuel is also getting 20. Very is getting 10, which is good because I think I only have like about 60. Oh, I have no change for that one. Hold on. Let me see, can I swap out anything here? Yeah, the whatchamacallit, the very account one is doing actually very good. We are, I think I'm down to the last 60 quid on that. So that's good for me. So we're going to put, how many did I say? It's going to very 10. Is going into very. Okie dokie. Is that everything? Fuel, very. Now we are going into the sinking funds, and we have got £10 is going into the housing fund. Thank you. Okay. Do I have any other tenors in here I could swap out? 10. I should have done this morning, but I didn't think. Okay, I always seem to need change in tenors. So tenors going into the house. I need 25 for. Oh, I put tenor into the challenge, didn't I? Oh, I'm an absolute idiot. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I did that wrong. Right. I need to put this back and put that back. Yep. And then take that out because that's in the wrong one, and then that one goes into the house fund. Right, so that's going in here. Oh, actually, I could still take out 2 tenors in here. Come out. You can swap you out. Well, this is like whopping Peter to pay Paul in this one. Oh, actually, I have a decent amount in there. Do I have any more 20 tenors? Yep, I do. I can go in there. And now I'm left with a load of tenors. Do we have any fivers though? Just to be on the safe side? No, we ain't. Right, so the house is getting a tenor. 25 is going to music. And I don't have any fivers. Do I have any fivers in music? Nope, nope, nope. So I'm going to owe that one a fiver. We'll just do it. 20 is going in there. And then the rest is going into the challenge. So I should have 35. Well, it'll be 40 because I don't have a fiver. Let me see, might be a spare fiver in the challenge bag. And then I can just swap that out. Oh, there is. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? There we go. Perfecto. And that was 35 in here. So I just need to sign that one off. Where's 35? And don't forget to update your piggy bank tracker as well so that you can keep an eye on things. I think this one is now up to 210, I believe. So we're doing good. And then where is this 15 going? Where am I going? So I had to put the fiver into the music one. Oh, that's sinking things, never mind. Where's the sports one gonna be now? Meow, meow, meow. There we go. Fiver's going in there. Now I have messed up somewhere because I wound up with a tenner extra. Jesus, I do this all the time. I always wind up confusing myself. If any of you are watching this and you can figure it out where I've gone wrong, please let me know. The challenge, everything is done, I reckon. Where did I mess up? I bet you, I wonder would it be the challenge I've messed up on. Or that now I've done my maths wrong. Well, I suppose like all the big ones have been paid. So let me see what else can I put it into that hasn't got any money in it. I mean, council tax, childcare, sports, ferry, water, Argos, fuel is okay, gas and Lecky, I can do that next week. Might put it into the water one. I should look at it if I figure it out, and if any of you figure it out, I shall put it back into the right box. Ugh, I'm too tired for this shit. All the kids have been sick and everything all week, so it's one of those days. Right, we're heading into the penny saving challenge. And we're not doing as big a one as we did last year. We're just going to keep it kind of simple. So let's see what we got. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, a pound and 4. Let's see, do we have it? I do. This one is much easier, I find, to actually like, well, I'm saying this now, but because I haven't done a cash stuff in a while, but I think this one might be a little bit more easier for me, like more attainable rather, that's the word I'm looking for, that I might actually complete it. Rightio folks, and the cash stuffing is done for this week. I shall see you next week for another one. Happy stuffing, and I do apologise again for not uploading anything in January, but you know, it is what it is, and I shall be more consistent going forward in the new year, hopefully. I say that all the time and then something happens, but you know, we do try and we plan. And folks, I shall talk to you on the next cash stuffing video. Don't forget to stay tuned for makeup Monday, cash stuffing Sunday, vlog on Friday, and anything else that I may post in between. I do love having you here, and thank you so much for subscribing. Talk to you next time. Bye. Mwah.